Hi, it's Wendy. Welcome to YouCam Perfect YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered how to make your Instagram profile look stylish and sophisticated by adding more white tones to your photos using only a mobile app? Today, I will share an ultimate secret with you that the top influencers will never tell you. Stick around and we'll show you the tips.
If you want to become a photo editing pro, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on all of the notifications.
Influencers take a long time to create one photo, but sometimes the light or the weather are far from perfect. In this video, I will share tips on how to adjust the tone of your portrait or a selfie. Then I'll demonstrate how to adjust photos with objects such as food to emphasize your personal aesthetics. If you haven't downloaded the app, click the download link in the description box below. Okay, let's get started! First, I choose a photo I want to edit. Then I use this effect pack called White as a first overall layer. In this white effect pack, there are 6 different white tones. Because this photo turned out dark, I will choose White 04 that will make the photo brighter in one tap. Okay, this is how my photo looks now after I apply the effect. We can make more adjustments though. I want to adjust the contrast. -15 should be okay. Then the brightness, since the photo is still not bright enough. I adjust the brightness +13 and highlight +30, then the shadow +23, dark +15, and finally saturation -8. All the steps will be listed in the description box below so you can check and save them. Now, we can also adjust the HSL for the color part of the photo. Red, hue 13, saturation -5, light +18. Yellow, saturation -23, light 20. Okay, one more very important step. I want the photo to look white with a cold blue tone. This will be done by lowering the temperature of the photo, figuratively of course. Okay, done! And don't forget, practice makes perfect. After you edit your photos over and over again, you will find your own style and aesthetics. Let's see the before and after. The photo looks brighter and with more white tones. And of course, don't forget to save your masterpiece. Okay, next I will use the technique on object shooting. First, I pick the photo I want to edit, then I use the same white effect pack, but this time the photo looks more yellowish originally, so I use White 01 to make the tone whiter. Moving on, click the adjust button for more tweaks. For this part, I will list the numbers in the description box below for your reference. Again, there are the steps I use. You will find your own style and aesthetics. Okay, so my contrast will be -40, then let's make the brightness +15 and shadow +37, darkness to here. This looks good. Next, adjust the HSL for the color part. Because the original photo looks yellow, I'm going to adjust the yellow color and then the orange color in details. Okay, done! Let's see the before and after comparison. It looks so different, right? Lastly, click the save button and upload away to Instagram. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoy learning how to adjust the colors of your photo with YouCam Perfect app. And as always, we look forward to your questions, feedback, and comments. So leave them in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, now is a good time to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about our new videos. See you next time!